Hello YouTube people. Right, last year I put a video up that covered how to stream videos on your home network to your Android device. And at the time that was a good method and it worked really well. But I've not been using that method for a while myself now because I found something better. So I thought I'd share that today in this video. So the application is called XBMC. It's this little chappy here. It's not available in the Android market yet because it's still in beta or beta, whichever way you want to say it. I will put the link up in the description for the video. It's definitely worth downloading and trying out. So if I show you how it works, and hopefully from that you'll see why it's so much better than the previous method that I had for doing this. So when it opens, this is the sort of display you'll be greeted with, okay, and it does lots of sort of clever things. If we just stick to the basics, so videos, you have to sort of select files, and the first thing you've got to do is choose the files that you're going to add to it. So if I click on files there and add videos, it gives you this dialog box here, and you just need to go to browse to find the ones on your network. So I'm assuming that you know how to share a folder on your network. So it's Windows Network SMB, so I've just pressed that, and that now just takes a sec to search the network to find the folders that are on there. As you can see, the little chappy in the corner says it's working away at that. There you go. When it gets there, it finds your work group. There's my PC, and I'm going to show it where all my videos are. So they're on that hard drive there, and we'll do TV shows like that. So you just tell it where that folder is and then go to OK, and it finds a name, so it's on my TV shows folder, OK. And then this is where it's quite clever, it asks you what that content is. So I'm going to just scroll through and tell it that in that folder I have TV shows. And then it asks you to choose a scraper. That is where it goes to find information about episodes on the internet. So once you've done that, you just press OK, and then it says, do you want to refresh all info for items within this path? So now it's going to search my entire hard drive for episodes and then download all the information for those episodes. So I'll say yep, go for that. And apparently it just needs to clean up the library first. This might actually, it shouldn't happen on yours if it's a fresh install. I think it's because I've already had this installed. The cleanup library is not something I'm used to seeing. But here we go, up in the top corner now you can see that that is starting to find information about TV shows that I've got on my hard drive. So we'll give that a sec to just find something other than America's Next Top Model. It's unfortunate that I have that on my hard drive. I'm embarrassed that you can see it. Okay, but as that's happening, you can then go back to the main menu. You should see that it's changed that. You've now got a TV shows tab on there. So if you go to that, you can press it. It starts to build a library of all your shows. So because I've got something named wrong, it thinks I've got hack on there. But I haven't, I've just not named my folders right. And America's Next Top Model is there, and as you press on one, you can see it picks up the artwork for them. So this is already rather cool. So this now, because I've got a lot of videos on my hard drive, might take an hour to scan the entire thing, but it only has to do that once and then it remembers everything. It only scans for new stuff. So if we just have a look at American Dad so you can see how this works. So let's do season 5 of American Dad. Something with more episodes in. Season 6. So there we go. I've got lots of episodes. It's got all the ratings for each episode down there. I can scroll through them. So let's just go for Return of the Bling. And then that will start to play. There you go. It plays wonderfully. If you get a hardware accelerated version, which is explained on a video that I've uploaded I've made another video that covers hardware acceleration. Then you can play HD content on this quite comfortably as well. So this is the way that if you are anyone, if you know your stuff, if you're a bit cool, then this is the application you'll now be using to stream your home media to your Android device. And this is pretty cool when you plug it into a TV as well. You can also control this application with a remote control app that you can put on your phone as well, which is very sexy. So like I say, I'll put the links that you need in the description. I highly recommend giving it a try. If you get stuck with it, bang a comment up on the video. I'll try and help you out. Other than that, thanks for watching. Good luck with the app.